Good morning, everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieve a volumized, luscious looking hair. This is kind of the hairstyle that's my go-to whenever I'm filming or if I'm going to events or anything like that where I want my hair to look bomb. So if you guys saw my most recent video about my hair horror story, I've had to learn how to kind of curl my layers together, the choppy layers that were put in my hair, and kind of give the illusion of very thick, volumized hair even if I don't necessarily have it, because like I said, if you saw that video, my hair recently got thinned out, and so I partnered with ITK Hair on this video because I use a lot of their products and I find a lot of their products are really good for giving me that type of look and helping me achieve that type of hairstyle. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I am literally going to be doing an entire walkthrough to share with you guys exactly what I do. So starting off, I'm just going to take my hair out of the bun that it's been in. Now anytime my hair is not down and styled, it is either in a braid or a bun, and I usually have the Thirsty Girl coconut milk leave-in conditioner in my hair. I like this because it's really easy to apply in my hair. It's lightweight, it doesn't grease up my hair or anything like that, and actually this is something I keep at my desk, so during the day I usually just kind of like pull my hair down, spray it in really quick, put it back up, and that's one of the ways I baby my hair to keep it nice and moisturized and conditioned, and this smelling great, to be honest. When I'm planning on styling my hair, I like to start off with freshly washed hair because then I can wear the hairstyle longer, and also because my hair is not weighed down by like the natural grease that obviously accumulates in my hair. So we go ahead into the bathroom so I can wash my hair and walk you all through this. Okay, so now we are in my bathroom and I'm gonna hop in the shower really quick and wash my hair. I am going to do this off camera because no one wants to see me in the shower. At least I hope not. My intention was to keep my makeup on, but then my face got wet, so it came off. So the next thing after I have cleansed my hair, I just shampooed it. I'm going to be taking the Low Key Cleansing Walnut Scalp Scrub, and I'm going to be working about a walnut size amount into my scalp. This is what it looks like. I like to focus this in my hairline because, as you could see from that clip, that's where I tend to get a lot of those bumps or itchy, flaky bits. So it's just kind of around there, and also like on the back of my neck is where I get it a lot. We all know the importance of exfoliating the skin on our face. It's somewhat the same principle with your scalp. You want to make sure that you're removing any dead skin cells, the product buildup, any residue, sweat that's still kind of sitting in there. So this is just something nice to do once or twice a week. I feel like I've done a pretty good job. I'm gonna go ahead and hop back in the shower and rinse this off. Ah, squeaky clean jelly bean. Now this stuff, you guys, is like one of my favorite hair products, and that is the expensive Alma Oil High Shine Top Coat. This is essentially something I do about once a week, and it's after I shampoo my hair. I just put this in my hair instead of conditioner, and this makes my hair so shiny and smooth and soft. So this is something I never skip. This is honestly turning into one of my like favorite hair care products. So I just usually put it in my hands. Obviously I do this in the shower. And then this is the part of my shower where I usually just put my hair up in a bun and I shave my legs, I do whatever, wash my body, and let that sit for a couple minutes. And then for the last time, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, rinse this out, and I will be right back. Whew. Okay, now that my makeup is clearly back on and my hair is nice and clean, I'm gonna show you guys what I do next before I start styling my hair. Now my scalp is nice and exfoliated, but another product I use to soothe and also hydrate my scalp is this guy right here, and this is the Trust Issues. This is a scalp rebalancing treatment, so this is really nice because this will kind of add that moisture back into your scalp so you don't have to worry about getting those flakies in your hair. And obviously if your skin or your scalp is more moisturized and hydrated, it tends to be a lot less itchy, which means my fingers are not in my hair as much, causing a lot of oil. So this is really nice because it soothes my skin. It also protects my scalp because it does have UV protection. So one thing we tend to overlook with our scalp is protecting it from the sun. You know me, I'm a big advocate for sun protection, so this is how I essentially protect my scalp as well. So I like to focus this again in my hairline where, again, I tend to get more irritation on my scalp. And I just rub it in with my fingers. And this is also nice because it's super lightweight, so it doesn't get greasy in your hair like some other scalp products do. You can actually use this when your hair is dry, even after it's styled. you don't just have to use it right after you clean your hair. So it's pretty versatile too. I cannot skip this step because this is like one of the few things, as well as this guy here, the low-key cleansing walnut scalp scrub, that make my scalp feel bearable. Because honestly, my scalp has been such a battle for me. Now, I don't know about you guys, but my hair gets really tangly. So I use the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm on the ends after I've cleansed it. And the nice thing about this is, again, since it is a hydrating balm, it adds moisture into my hair. It's lightweight, but it also detangles my hair. So when I'm styling it, I don't have to worry about my hair getting snagged or breaking off. I literally just take a small amount too. That's about the amount I use. It's about a dime size. And then I just kind of rub it between my hands, and then I just focus it towards the ends. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but this really helps like get a lot of the tangles out of my hair. Now, when it comes to adding volume to my hair, I always opt to blow dry my hair from a somewhat damp point. So my hair is not soaking wet, but it is not dry. So I'm gonna go ahead, blow dry my hair. And while I'm blow drying my hair, I also flip my hair upside down, and I feel like that adds a lot more volume to my hair. And just in general, just try to flip my hair around as much as possible so I can add some extra volume and definition to my hair. Okay, so I am back and I just finished blow drying my hair. As you can tell, that's what gives my hair a lot of volume, as well as a lot of the other products I use. So now what I do is I just go in and curl the very ends of my hair. And the reason that I do this, because honestly my hair looks pretty styled as it is, but I like to just kind of curl the ends back because, again, with those shorter layers, they just lay nicer in a curl. When I curl my hair, I usually stick to a larger barrel curling iron. So this one in particular is, I believe, 1.5 inches. So I just kind of try and take some of the shorter layers as well as some of my longer hair down in here. And then I just kind of try to curl that end of that shorter layer into the longer hair, if that makes any sense, just like that. And I don't hold it there for very long. I literally just do that. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. And then to finally finish everything off, I take the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. And this is something that I just spritz through my hair, to be completely honest. I find that this kind of like pieces up my hair a little bit. And also just, again, adds volume. How many times am I gonna say that in this video? And also kind of maintains my style as well. So it's longer lasting. Oh, they smell so good. All these IGK hair products smell delicious. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is kind of how I fake my volumized hair, how I make my hair look nice and full. This is kind of my go-to when I want my hair to look nice and natural looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for those of you guys who wanted to know how I did my hair after my whole hair tragedy aftermath. I will leave links down in the description box below where you can pick any of the products I showed, and a big thank you to all of you guys who sent your love and support after my last video. I really appreciated reading all of your kind words. It made me feel so much better about the whole situation. But as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!